Hello everyone, welcome to Honara's Arts and Lifestyle channel. Until now you have seen how I have painted eyes and lips for this Durga. So this Durga was actually purchased by a friend of mine and she requested me to decorate this idol before she takes it home. So I have just been doing that. The reason why I'm making this video is because I have seen a lot of people who are trying to drape a sari for a Durga which is sitting on a lion. And somehow that sari draping doesn't sit really well for the reason that this Durga is attached to the lion. The problem that many people face is that when they're trying to drape a sari, they won't be able to take it round like this, okay, around the waist. When they try to do it, it so happens that the lion will be covered just like this. For example, if I am taking this as a pleats of the sari and I want to drape it properly, and if I have to tie it at the back side, you see how the lion is being covered. So that is the main problem that we see with sari draping. So for that, I wanted to show you how to drape a sari for such a Durga which is sitting on a lion, and physically the idol itself is actually attached to the body of the lion. Okay. So the first and the foremost thing whenever you are buying an idol is to make sure that you have enough place to move around the waist. Okay. For example, if I am taking this as a sari and I want to tie it around like this, you see that this part is attached to this part. Okay, so my sari cannot go within this. So when I try to tie it, okay, this part it is going in, but over here it actually comes like this and it doesn't look nice. Okay, so when you're buying a idol, just make sure that you have enough place to actually push your cloth inside so that you can tie it at the waist. Now coming to the dress, okay, so this is one of the ready dress that we get in a shop in Jayanagar. Okay, the name of the shop is Shringar Jewelers. Okay, Shringar Fancy Stores and Jewelry Shop, I think. So I have just shown the address over here. So this particular cloth is a signature piece of their shop. Okay, so if you're trying to find this kind of a cloth anywhere else, you will not get it. These people also have a branch in Gandhi Bazaar and a few other places. So please contact the number that I have shown over here in case you want to buy something like this. Okay, and even this one, okay, even this is their signature piece. You are not going to get this anywhere else. You are going to get only in their shop, the Shringar shop. Okay, and both this and this are actually made of pure silk. That is why they are going to be expensive. So this one actually costed about 400 rupees for me. Okay, now even if I want to tie this, okay, you can see that because this is actually coming in between, I'm not able to tie it properly. So the workaround that I have for this is I'm going to make this piece become short, and the way in which I do it is I bend it like this, okay, and I again bend it like this. And because this already has a V shape, it just adds to the shape and it really doesn't disturb anything. It doesn't disturb the pleats and all. So then I put a pin. That way I'm actually able to make this waist piece shorter in the width. Okay. So I have a piece like this which I have already pinned. So this is the one that I'm going to use for this Durga. So now you can see even the lion is actually seen. Okay, we are not covering the lion and yet the pleats are seen very beautifully. Unfortunately, this doesn't come with a pallu or a dupatta. Okay, so for that what I have done is I've taken a sari border. Okay, that comes to the nearest match of whatever skirt that we are putting. So you will have to find this yourself. Make sure that this is very soft and flexible and it's not very hard. Okay, and this is what I'm going to use it to drape the upper part of Durga. Smaller the border, the better the sari sits. So this is how we can drape it. You will have to pin the two sides at the back side tightly. Okay, and just in case you don't want this pin to be seen, then what you can do is you can just bring the back part front again like this and make it go a circle. Okay, so that way you can actually cover the pin area also. I'll just leave it like this because I don't think, after I put the jewelry, this pin will be shown. The same thing will apply even in case you want to drape a real sari. Okay, so don't drape the sari around, just start with the pleats over here. Okay, and then take the pallu from this corner and bring it front. I think that way you should be able to drape a sari very nicely for this. So this is how we can drape a sari for Durga which is sitting on a lion. Okay.